How to prevent scammers from gaining access into your platforms. It does not matter the platform, whether it's your Google, your Facebook, your Instagram, whatever platform. Please take note of all these warnings I'll be giving. The first one is when they send you a message and they inform you that you have broken a law or you have done something, that your page will be removed, telling you to click a link to rectify it. Please don't click it. Even when they say they are Meta, they are Facebook, please don't click that link. I'll be telling you what to do at the end of this video, so pay attention. Number 2, when they send you a message telling you that someone tried to log into your account and they are showing you a link or they are showing you change your password from that message, please don't click it. Please don't pay attention. Number 3, when they send you a message telling you that Meta wants to block your account or Meta wants to ban your account because of what you did, that you should click this link, please don't click that link. Now, what do? The moment you see that message, go into your own Facebook, the main Facebook, not that platform they are talking with you on Facebook. Go to your main Facebook, go to your settings, go and change your password through that place. Okay, and make sure you put two-way verification, very important. Have it. Secondly, if it is your Google, go to your Google, go and check that you have done all your two-way verification safety method you're to have. Make sure you put that in place. Number 3, go and check your email. Facebook will always send you an email if it is Facebook. If you notice that you did not get any email, go back to those people that sent you all that, block it, report it to Facebook. Very important. And delete the conversation. If you even click it, you will even see the name of the person and where they did it from. If you can see my screen, you're going to see that somebody attempted to enter my Google. But because I had two-way verification and security, my Google locked the person out. So I have gone there and have changed my password. So please guys, be careful. Make sure you are careful online. Everybody wants to make money. Don't be the victim. Thank you. I'm Alpella, and this is UPL Teaching and Training Academy.